Hello, this video explains the decision for Capsim Capstone round 2 practice. Again, you can see all the decision numbers, but need to create the Excel file from your game so the numbers will be more precise. This number here illustrated for this game only, right? If you want, you can get the free Excel file and put that number of round 0 into the Excel file and get on the performance and size calculation for 8 rounds. So for the second round, we update the product based on the screen you see, based on the Excel file as on the screen you see. We add one more product in the traditional segment. For example, able number 2 with 7.8 and 12.2 with the specification performance size of round 4. So the product will be, when the product ready next year, it will be at the optimal spot and sell very well. For the other product, we try to launch the new product around September or August, as close to the ideal spot as possible, right? We do not update number 2, we leave that for next round because number 2 low end is optimal already. For the pricing, now look at the marketing. For marketing, we reduce each price by 50 cents. You can adjust that a little bit or check with the price of competitors to make sure you get the most competitive price. And we set promotion and sales. For promotion and sale, we set at about 1,400. We do not use 2,000 right in round 1 and round 2 because we want to save some cost, so we get a positive net profit. And check promotion and sale spending of competitors too. Now we look at the career report again to make sure that check the growth rate for each segment. Important here. Again, check the growth rate for each segment. Sometimes it's the same, sometimes it changes every round, depends on each game. And we check the unit we sell from last round, the sold unit, and multiple by about 15% for round 2. And for round 2, if you are selling really well, you can add 12%, multiple the unit we sold last round with the market segment growth and add 10 more percent or 15 more percent, depends. And we also calculate the demand, the focus demand for the new low-end product we added from round 1. And for production, we can add about 10% to avoid the stock out in case our product sell very well. So to avoid stock out, you can add about 10%. And for all the 5 segments, and also remember to add the production for the new product number 6 low end we added from round 1. And for automation, we can add increase automation for first and the second to 6 and 9, and also add 400 for the new product in traditional. We just add 400 for capacity and also increase 300 for the new two new product, low end 200 or 300. We can adjust that as you see on the screen to meet the budget, investment budget we get for this round. So remember to add new capacity and also increase automation. For human resources, we use 3,000 for recruitment and 60 hours. We do not use 5,080 hours right now to save some cost and get some positive net profit. And for finance now, we use 19 million and 16 million from long term, 19 million from issuing the stock. So we get very good sales in this round and also some net profit. We check that. That's estimated only, right? But that's good. So we have 7 products, and in round 2 we created a new product in traditional. Last round we created a new product in low end segment. Compared with report from previous round, we get good sales and also some net profit. With this strategy, we can get very good sale in all 8 rounds, and round 1, round 2 normal net profit, but from round 3 to 8 we also get both highest sale and highest net profit, right? Okay, you see the result on the screen. Thank you, good luck and success.